Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Yosemite National Park. We are at the Mammoth Thermal Hot Springs. Let's go see what's going on there. I don't know why I said that. If it's your first time here, go ahead and please subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment. Again, we purchased the lifetime pass for all the national parks, so if you have a favorite, drop it in the comments. Maybe we'll go check it out. Let's go check out the hot springs. Yosemite National Park sits on a caldera. It was a large volcano that erupted 640,000 years ago. And because of that, there's geothermal activity all around the park. You all have heard of Old Faithful. This is another one. Devil's Thumb, which is shale. So those are living organisms, thermopiles. Do not get burned. The stairs just keep going and going. Whew. That's rough. We are at higher altitudes. But yeah, there's also, if you want, a ramp that goes up if you don't want to do the stairs, or if you need wheelchair access. You have two options. Halfway up, take a breather and look at Fort Yosemite. Nope. Take two. Halfway up, you can stop, take a breather, look down at Fort Yellowstone. So about halfway up, it looks like the stairs stop, and it's all ramp, perhaps? If this old big guy can do it, you can do it too. Whew. Let's keep climbing. Update, not dead yet. We started off way down here, did that, and all that. Now I'm here. Already all the way up to there, where there's a road. But where we're going, we don't need roads. Sorry for the gum. It's like being on another planet. April 2025 construction update. Looks like they are adding or redoing trails. We are about a half hour from sunset. I bet during the day, these colors are all amazing. Do it for the gram. Another view of Fort Yellowstone. I lied. More stairs. I don't want to go. Don't hate me. Update. Not dead yet. More stairs. We made it. We didn't die. When you're up here, if you have more time, there's a lot more paths. And of course, there's also, what's that over there? Is that a bus? You know why? Because there's a road that takes you all the way to the top. But where's the fun in that? So thanks for watching. I didn't die. So give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe just for not dying, because I thought I would, but I didn't. So again, thanks for watching. Yeah, put in your comments your favorite national park. Maybe we'll check it out. So I'll give you one last view, and I'll see you next time when you see where the road takes us.